when you look at no matter what's going on in the economy, the market, et cetera, the banks always profit. Good banks always profit.
Correct.
And we always need to get capital from somewhere. And so we've been taught to get capital from the banks. So what this book is going to teach you is how to become or create your own family banking system. And then essentially you're going to take that money that you've been given to the banks, credit cards, and other lenders, and you're going to put that back into your own economy, put that into your family banking system. What it does is, without changing how you're spending money or anything like that, you're actually going to put hundreds of thousands of dollars or even millions of dollars back into your own economy. And all you're doing is you're shifting your cash flow. So you're making one minor adjustment from your cash flow. And typically we get paid, it goes into the bank. And then from there, we never see that dollar again. We lose current value and all future value of all that money. Whereas all we do is use a life insurance policy as a holding tank for capital. And every dollar that you put into that policy, it starts creating value for you for the rest of your life.